Well, it's the 10th day of March 2026. I'm here at Dorsey Road, going to the Clifford T Perkins mental institution in Jessup, Maryland. I want some answers as to why they lied to me last week on the 24th. Said that Timothy Evelyn was not a patient of the facility, but I went to the court on last Friday rather. I stopped in the criminal court, and they said that clearly Timothy, as of late December, he was still listed as a inmate at the facility. So I'm just making a record. I want an answer. I've got another letter to follow up, and they signed for the first one. I want to meet with somebody. I possibly want to see Timmy today. There's no reason they should restrict me. And then we're going to set a meeting up for Sherry, and Timmy's daughter, and the attorney, so we can assess for ourselves his competency and find out what's happened to him the last 2.5 years. He's been wrongfully incarcerated on a trumped-up charge of assault. And now we know that this has got so many attorneys up in Elkton involved, and his public defender is listed on the docket up there as E. Ellis Rollins, who is the former prosecutor for the state of Maryland. The state's attorney is a former state's attorney. Now he's the prosecutor in the case for the state of Maryland. That shows he's got a direct conflict of interest. All they're doing is trying to keep him in jail. They want to keep him in jail and keep Sherry away from the assets of being able to defend herself against these thieves who have stolen her father's estate, over $18 million. Just like the Ordinance Court said, we should be filing an action against the bond that was taken out with $18,000 of the estate funds, and the bonding agent. And so we're going to be doing this very shortly in the United States District Court in Delaware. He keeps getting worse, folks. Every day you find new evidence. If you look at the little past videos of the last 2 weeks, I've done everything possible to make sure that we act within the statute law, and everything that we do is in accordance with the rules of the court. This is Sylvia Hazoris. I got her out of here. This illegal lockup, and back about 10 years ago, where they falsely imprisoned her for 3 years while the judges had worked to take her child away from her, and falsely imprisoned her for 3 years with a phony psych evaluation. While she was in there, they did numerous tests on her they were illegal. Now this time they're going to be facing some more serious charges. Sylvia didn't want to follow up with her, but they've been doing any illegal testing on Tim. We will be taking this to federal court, sister and his daughter. Look at their past videos on March 6th, and you can see that we've done everything possible within the law to notify everybody of what was going on. And Perkins all the way back in the back. I'm not going to take it no for an answer today. I'm going to see where Tim's at and exactly what conditions he's being retained under. Let's get out here and go see what they're trying to lie about now. Let me get my paperwork. And after this, I'm leaving, going to the state police. And find out why state police is hampering the getting back to me to my formal request